A very good afternoon to all of you. It is my great pleasure to be with all of you once again. I hope you all are doing great. I am also fit as fiddle. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't yet and do a like for this video. So first of all, I have done my listening part. I listened a motivational video. The video is about 10 to 15 minutes. So I have completed 10 to 15 minutes English motivational speech. And whenever I feel that I have to write down or I have to note it down some sentences, some phrases, then I note it down. Otherwise, I just listen carefully. I think listening is most important part to learn any language, because we all know and we all heard about this thing that when we were child, we learned our language, our mother tongue by listening. We don't read or we don't learn grammar. We don't even know grammar of our Hindi language or our mother tongue, but still we are perfect in our mother tongue. We can speak anything in our mother tongue. Why? Because we hear a lot. So the same thing applies in English language. So listening is my favorite part, if I can say, because I listen a lot. And when I started my journey, from that day I have been listening videos. It may be any kind of videos, interviews, podcasts, motivational speeches, and most of the time I listen motivational speaker. And it not only help you to improve your listening skill, but also it help you to know about the phrases, the sentence structures, because I am facing some issues related to sentence pattern, and that's why listening, I think, helps you to make the sentence pattern. And if you know the sentence pattern, it help you to form the sentences automatically when you speak, because when you listen something, then you have to try remember those sentences, and in the times of speaking you can just use them. You don't need to create sentences, because there are so many short sentences. We don't focus that how they create. We just copy those sentences, because when we were child, when we were in our school time, we don't we did not try to make the sentences. We just come, like for example, come here, go there, sit down. These are sentences we just remember and we speak. So I think listening helps you to use the ready-made sentences. You can just listen and try to remember some sentences, basic sentences or basic structures that can help you to speak out. So here, after completed my listening part, then I did my shadowing technique. Shadowing technique means I write down something in my notebook, and after that I tried to speak out, because our mouth is not habituated to speak in this language. So whatever I noted down, I just read aloud in my mobile phone and my notebook. And after doing these things, I started reading a book. Reading book is sometime I feel very good when I read something, because reading is also helps you. But reading is something that if you like this, then it help you, but if you don't like it, it may not help you anymore. So if you like, then you can add reading a book in your daily habit. If you don't like, then you can skip. Okay, so then I read 2 or 3 pages, not more than that, and I try to remember some sentences, because as I told you, I am facing difficulty to make the sentence pattern, or I am making mistake in sentence pattern or structures. I know, but in at the time of speaking, I make mistakes. So that's why I try to remember some sentence pattern. So here I have completed my listening, then a little bit writing, then I reading, and along with that I speak to myself. I did shadowing practice. So these are my activities, these are my English learning practices or activities that I use to improve myself. I know that I make a lot of mistake right now. I don't know why I'm not improving so much, but I tried my best. And one more thing that I want to say, that in the beginning, when you just started your journey, just go with not so much grammar, because I know how much time I spend on learning grammar, but still grammar is not helping as much as you think. Grammar only helps you to beautify your language, to speak good or without mistakes, but it is not help you to speak in the beginning. So don't go with the grammar, too much grammar. You have to learn only some basic grammar. Okay, and one more thing that I want to say, that is consistency. I know very well how much consistency is important to do anything in our life. It may be language, to learning language, or anything else. As I already told you many videos in my previous videos, that I was not consistent at all, and that's why I'm not improving so much. I know consistency is very very important, but I don't know why I'm not able to be consistent. But I will try my best. I will give my 200%, and I will make sure this time I will not skip a single day my speaking English practice, because I have already spent a lot of time of learning this language, but still I'm not fluent in this language. I hope you are getting my point. And it is very difficult for you when you spend a lot of time on learning a single language, but still you are not improving, still you are not learning anything new. It's very very difficult to handle all these things. So that's why I am telling you, please don't break your consistency. If you break your consistency, if you skip even a single day, next day you are not going to repeat your daily routine. You are not going to start. You have to start again. So please make sure you don't break your consistency. Try to stay consistent no matter what happened, no matter how much time you have, no matter how many things you have to do, still you have to stay consistent. Without consistency you are not going to learn this language or any other thing, because I know this thing. And one more thing, please ignore my mistakes. I know how many mistakes I am making, but I know this thing also very well that if I if I do not speak, then I will not improve. So without speaking I cannot improve. So that's why I am telling you, please don't judge me. I am making mistake, I know, and I will try to make less mistake in my future videos. So please don't care about those things. I hope you are understand my point. So this is all about for my today's videos. I have done my speaking practice, I have done my listening practice and shadowy practice. I have done my all exercises to learn this language, and along with that I will try to do some more practices like with ChatGPT or translations, because these days I am starting translating short stories in Hindi into English. So I will try to do other activities as well. So this is all about for today's video. Please subscribe my channel, and because I want to completed my 1000 subscriber as soon as possible. So please subscribe my channel and like this video.